Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to Melda 242. I am Romelda, and today I'm preparing for my family a quick and easy steamed mackerel. If you want to see how I achieve this, then continue watching. Let's do it. Bones that I am removing, they are soft, they are edible, but I just want to take them out because this little girl here, she would not eat them if the bones are in them, trust me. And I don't want to waste time making this and she doesn't eat it. This is lunch. Let's go, take them out if you want them out. Remember, my recipes are not gospel, just use them as a guide. Feel free to add, multiply, subtract, or divide. It's your pot. You fix it up. And guess what I'm doing today? Guess. I am still bringing the restaurant home. Oh yes, continue watching. I want to say thank you right here to every one of my subscribers, all 10,000 of you. All of my followers, please, come on. Join your Caribbean cousin. Join the family. Let's go. Let's get this number up. Subscription is free. Subscription is free. Let's do it. God bless you. for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, you know what to do. Leave a comment. Give it a thumbs up. Share it out. Invite someone. God bless you. God bless you. And I will see you in the next one.